Hello friends, today on this video I'm going to unboxing and review the touch lamp portable hotspot. Not portable hotspot, portable speaker. Okay, so here before we unbox this, friends, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's see about the box, what it has given. Here you can see here it can be like a torch, music, SIM card, not SIM card, memory, then to call, and the headphone. Okay, so here on the side it says it can be like a different color. Okay, it can switch. Okay, it can switch like a different color, and here nothing, same only. And here it gives some guidelines, some important guidelines. Okay, so it says it can click this one with the minus. When you click this one, no, this arrow, it will be like next. Okay, so it says next, choose a song, and when you click this one, only this symbol again, just press it, long press, and the volume minus will be down. Okay, it will be ruined, it will be down. And here when you click this symbol, and here would be choose the next song, to choose the next song. Okay, so long press by of this symbol will be volume up. Okay, it will up the volume. Okay, plus. Okay, so this symbol is to play, and this symbol is to pause, stop. Okay, and mode key, short press to key, transfer mode, wireless, TF card, aux function, switch key, touch function. So here is the touch, the top of the hose. It means this one, this black hole on the upside, when you touch it, the brightness will be changed. Okay, here touch the top of the hose to change the color. You can change the color also, and you can change the brightness also by touching the top. Okay, so let's move on to open the box. Here is the box, so let's open it, and here is the lamp. Okay, so let's see. Oh, it has given something here, so let's check this one also. And this one, let's put it. Okay, so let's put here on the side. So I put that one on the side, and here is the some cable wire. You can see here it's same with the mobile phone charger. Okay, so let's put here, and let's check the lamp. Okay, so flower also a little bit far, we kept it, and check the lamp. Here is the lamp, so you can see it's very nice, it's looking very perfect. Okay, oh, it used to move, I don't know why. So here is the lamp. It's very nice. This one is for the switch on off, and this one is for the wire, cable wire, and this one is for the headphones. This one is micro SD, and this is for the USB. You can see here. Okay, this is for USB, and here on this side you can see this one is the next song button, and plus it means the volume button, my volume plus button, and to pause and play the video, it means song. And this one is the to play the song, and minus the volume button when we press, and this one is the mode. Okay, here is the mode. Okay, so behind it's like this, you can see here smart language speaker, you can handle like this also. See, wait, afterwards I'll show you, it's very amazing. So let's on it. Okay, so here first of all I'll switch on it.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
So let's check by switching the upside. So here the brightness has been changed. Okay, so again and again it has been medium. So again, now it has been off. Okay, so low, medium, high, off. So if you want to switch the color, what you need to do is that you have to move on from the back side. Okay, so hold this one, just click this one, no, this one handle. So put here and type here, click here. Okay, from here you have to tap like this. See, it says you have to tap here, no, try to tap here and there, maybe it will be move. So I'm trying to tap it, when it will change the color. So it's not changing, I don't know, it says to tap. Oh, here it has been set the color. See, wow, OMG, it's beautiful. See, wow, it used to change the color. When you tap, it will change the color. OMG. Again, let's switch it. So here I'm switching the color. again by tapping this up one. No, on the top it says to tap the top. No, so you just tap it here. Okay, I don't know, it's very difficult. Maybe here it's kept some hole, maybe hollow. So let's tap it, but it's not switching now. I don't know what. Oh, here it has been switched. So let's switch from the, oh, from the down. When you tap from the down, it used to move. See, the color used to move. See, it used to move. Here it's now is pink. So let's change into blue. Now red, then white, then green, now blue. Wow, it's very beautiful. So now we'll connect with it. Let's connect it with. So now I'm going to connect the Bluetooth to play this song. Okay, so here on this Bluetooth, just switch like this, then search this one. No, then here is the JK671. Click on it. After you have been click on it, is to pair. So click on pair.
Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
So it has been connected right now. Let's play some song from the YouTube. Okay, so here is the YouTube. I'm going to play the Hindi song. So here is the Hindi song. So let's make it little bit far. So here is this song. I mean, this song is playing. Wow. So here you can see it's very nice. It's used to play the song with a nice, amazing. Okay, so friends, you can connect the song like this. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.